Let's now go to acupuncture for emergencies. Let's discuss viscera type stroke for acupuncture treatment. In a young blockage stroke, the main symptoms are sudden onset mental confusion or loss of consciousness, spasticity in the limbs, trismus, flushed face, fever, snoring, gurgling of sputum, restlessness, anuria, and constipation or convulsion and hematemesis. The tongue is crimson red with yellow and greasy coating. The pulse is stout, slippery, and rapid. For therapeutic principles, uh, one can open the orifices with acrid cool herbs, cool the liver, and extinguish wind. In yin blockage stroke, the main symptoms are sudden coma, hemiplegia, placidity, cold limbs, pallid complexion, cyanotic lips, copious sputum, and saliva. The tongue is dark or pale with white and greasy coating. The pulse is deep and slippery or even. For therapeutic principle, open orifices with acrid warm herbs, eliminate phlegm, and extinguish wind. In prostration stroke, the main symptoms are sudden loss of consciousness or coma, flaccidity of the limbs, incontinence or of urine, sweating with cold limbs, eye shots, spastic tongue, retracted testes, and a shallow and weak respiration. The tongue is cyanotic with white and greasy coating. The pulse is either deep and even or indistinct, thread-like, and on the verge of collapse. A therapeutic principle, you can augment qi, rescue yang, and arrest collapse. For acupuncture treatment, you can use for blockage stroke, select the 12 well acupoints governing vessel 26, liver 3, and stomach 40. Use filiform needles and apply the reducing method. The well acupoints are pricked with a three-edged needle to cause bleeding. For prostration stroke, select the acupoints CV4 and CV8. Apply ignited Moxo cones of these acupoints. Thank you for your attention.